Today we are talking about graphic equations.
First, we have to talk about solutions.
Consistent.
Independent.
Pendant.
Dependent equations have infinitely many solutions.
Consistent.
We make sure you have all this vocab copied down. Let's make sure we know what this vocab means by looking at how it works on graphs.
These lines intersect.
That makes them independent and consistent.
These lines are on top of each other.
That means that these are dependent and consistent. So far, we've only looked at consistent lines, so let's look at inconsistent.
These lines are parallel.
Parallel lines are always inconsistent.
Let's solve by graphing.
Let's start with y equals negative 3x plus 10. Okay, and my other equation in the system will be y equals x minus 2. So I'm going to start off by drawing my coordinate plane and graphing these equations. My first one has a y-intercept of plus 10, so I'm going to go up 10 on my y-axis. I'm going to start there, and then my slope is negative 3, so I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3 over 1, down 1, 2, 3 over 1, down 1, 2, 3 over 1, and so on. And I'm going to draw my line from there. Okay, my second line is x minus 2. So I'm going to start at negative 2 on the y-axis, so down here, and my slope is a positive 1. So I'm going up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. And we see that they're going to intersect, which would make them what kind of system? Check all that apply.
Independent.
Consistent. How did these intercept? 3, 1.
We can check this is correct by plugging it into both equations. So I'm going to take my 3, 1 and plug it into y equals negative 3x plus 10. And I'm also going to plug it into y equals x minus 2. When I plug it in over here, 1 equals negative 3 times 3 plus 10. Negative 3 times 3 is 9, or negative 9, I'm sorry, plus 10 would give me positive 1. So that checks out. And over here, if I plug it in, 1 equals 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 equals 1. And so that checks out as well. Okay, try this next one on your own and see what kind of system it is and where it intersects, and then we'll say thanks for watching. And thanks